Testing an encapsulated diode bridge rectifier using a multimeter by Abel Dominguez. This is an encapsulated bridge rectifier. It has two alternating current inputs marked as AC and two direct current outputs marked as plus and minus. This is what's inside the package, for diodes connected in a bridge shape. The union of each two diodes that can be observed corresponds to each of the external contacts. This is the schematic of what we have seen physically. Now let's see how to measure the diodes externally. With the multimeter in position to measure diodes, we have to measure each of them in both directions of polarity. That is, first in one direction and then in the opposite direction. Knowing what is already inside physically, let's do the actual test on the four connectors of the diode bridge. Diode 1. Current flows in one direction. Diode 1. Exchange the tips, and in the opposite direction there is no current flow. Diode 2. In one direction there is current flow and nothing in the opposite direction. With the third and fourth diode we follow the same procedure. Conclusion: this bridge was in perfect condition because no diode was open or shorted between both terminals. The bridge would be damaged when one of the diodes does not conduct because it is open or conducts in both directions because it is shorted. Thank you for following me.